Welcome to my channel. How to secure your Wi-Fi router from hackers. 1. Change the default router password. Most routers come with a default admin password. Change it immediately to a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. 2. Use a strong Wi-Fi password. Create a unique Wi-Fi password that is hard to guess. Avoid names, birthdays, or simple numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 3. Enable WPA3 or WPA2 security. Go to router settings and select WPA3 security. If WPA3 is not available, use WPA2 for better protection. 4. Change the default Wi-Fi name, SSID. Hackers can identify router brands from default names. Change your Wi-Fi network name to something unique. 5. Update router firmware regularly. Router updates fix security bugs and improve performance. Check for firmware updates every few months. 6. Disable WPS feature. WPS makes connecting easy but can be risky. Turn off WPS in router settings for better security. 7. Turn off remote management. Disable remote access unless you really need it. This prevents outsiders from accessing your router online. 8. Create a guest network. Use a guest Wi-Fi network for visitors. This keeps your main devices safer and more private. 9. Remove unknown connected devices. Check the list of connected devices regularly. Disconnect any device you do not recognize. 10. Restart your router occasionally. Restarting the router can improve security and refresh the network connection. A weekly reboot is helpful. Thanks for watching.